This is Coach Tony Novak here to walk through the make or break steps that real life decisions that make or break the game for small business owners. I started off a little rough, but I hope it gets smoother from there. So today's topic comes from an online viewer that was caught in a shady sales tax situation. And here in New Jersey, when you make a capital improvement, say an addition to your home, that is not subject to sales tax. But routinely, we see it again and again that those items are, sales tax does show up on the invoice. And it's not limited to just capital improvements. We see many invoices, and I joke about it as a CPA just going through my daily life. I see businesses charging sales tax where they're not supposed to. So in any case, you always have the ability to ask for a refund of an overcharge, same as any other overcharge. If you bought 3 items and got charged for 4, you have a right to seek a refund civilly, and it's the same with sales tax. So that right is the same. You were overcharged, and you have a right to go back to that contractor to ask for a refund. The second point is that you can actually, assuming that the contractor says, I don't have the cash, I don't have the money, I send it into the state, you can then apply to the state. There is a form when you can apply for a refund of sales tax. And then finally, the question posed to me today was that the person suspects that the contractor is charging the sales tax and then not paying it to the state. They're just pocketing the money. Well, that's the worst scenario here. And there are a series of steps where you can report that to the state. The state actually has a form online where you can report that kind of tip, and they do pursue that. The state does pursue sales tax collection violations seriously, because that's the state's money. That's not your money once you've collected it as sales tax. So this question of shady sales tax and a contracting addition to your home actually breaks down to 3 different parts, and there's 3 ways to approach it. It's not uncommon, and a very good question, and I thank my online friends for submitting the question. As always, I'm easy to reach online with this type of question to cover in a future episode, or if you want to talk one-on-one, that's easy to do also. Find me at taxproblems.cpa. My contact information is there, and I'd be happy to set a time to talk through your situation. I'll be back tomorrow with another edition of Owner's Playbook.